morning, children. Hope all are fine and going on with your online classes. Also, hope all are finished your previous notes and are ready to listen this week's class. This is Math's third online class. What's your opinion about the last two classes? Can you follow me? If not, you can ask the doubts at any time. Okay. In this unit, what we are studying about? Yes, we are studying about 4-digit numbers. Now, we can go to the next activity in the text to get 1000. Before doing that activity, first we can check to get 10 and to get 100. Can you find the following or can you write the following? Here you have given a number pattern. The first number is, the first question, the first number is 10 in the middle. And around 10, there are 6 rounds. In each round, you have given one number and the other number is blank. Write the number in the blank space. But one condition, if you add the number in the round, given number in the round and the number in the blank space will get the middle number 10. That means the blank number is, how will you find the number in the blank space? Which number is to be added to the given number to get 10? Okay? You do that problem. Then the next, the middle number is 100 and around 100 there are 6 numbers. In each number, one number is given and the other number is blank. You have to find out the number in the blank space. The given number and the number in the blank space combine together, or when we add the number in the given number and the number in the blank space, will get the number 100. So, you have to find the number in the blank space. Then we can go to the textual activity to get 1000. Here, 1000 is in the middle and around 1000 there are 6 squares. In each square, one number is given and the other number is blank. You have to find out the number in the blank space. For that, check which number is added to the given number in the square to get 1000. You can do that. Very simple problem. You can do that. Okay. Then, here one activity also given for you. 1000 can be write as the sum of 3 numbers. One number and one sum is given for you. That is 1000 is equal to 850 plus 100 plus 50. 850 plus 100, 950 plus 50,000. The second one is 1000 is equal to 925 plus 50 plus dash. First add 925 plus 50. Then how much is to be added to get 1000? That number is that number will write on the blank column. The third one is 1000 is equal to 800 plus dash plus dash. Find that numbers also. Last 1000. 1000 can be written as the sum of 3 numbers. Your answers are different, so this also you must write. The problem is only for you, not me. Okay, you can do that. Then we can go to the next activity, children's savings. Do you have any savings? If not, try to save some money in a bank or somewhere for your future use. Here, Reena and her friends deposit some money in a bank every month. They deposited different amount. See, Reena's deposit from last September to March in a table given for you. In the table, there are 3 columns. The first one is for month, second is the deposit amount, and the third is the total up to that number, up to that month. Okay. In the first month, September, Reena deposited 50 rupees and the total is also 50. But in October, she deposited 100 rupees, but her total is last month's total plus this month's deposited amount. That is 50 plus 100, that is 150. In the month of November, she deposited 100 rupees, but her total becomes the last month's total 150 plus 100, that is 250, like that. But in the month of January, his total amount is December's total amount 450 plus January's deposited amount 100 is equal to 550. In February, you must find the deposited amount of Reena from the given details. How will you find out? You know, the total amount of January is 550. Also given the total amount of February is 750. That is 500. The amount is jumped from 550 to 750. What is the difference between these two numbers? That is 750 minus 550. That is 200 is the difference amount. That is the deposited amount of February. In February, Reena deposited 200 rupees. Also again March, she deposited 100 rupees and the total becomes 750 plus 100, 850. Here you have to find out the total deposit, not for every month, from all the months. What is the total amount of deposit amount of Reena? How will you find out? You must add each month's total at last. It means September, October, November, December, January, February and March. That you must add the total column. The result is, or the added amount total is the answer here. So total month deposited means total of all the total column. So sum of the all total column. And we will get a number. First read that number. Then how will you read it? Write it in words. Okay. Then after March, April and May are summer vacations. Or on that month, she deposited no amount. Then after summer vacation, Reena deposited 150 rupees in June. So her savings till June. What is her saving, or what is the total amount of deposit till June? What we have to do? You must add 150 to the total amount. You have got a total amount from the table. So you must add this month's deposit 150 to that amount. You will get the total deposit amount till June. Read that number and write it in words also. That is the second activity in the text. Children's savings. It is the second activity. Then we can go to the third activity, when hundreds are joined. When hundreds are joined. Here, Manoj deposited 100 rupees in each month. The amount is steady, that is 100 rupees. And no different amount, the amount is 100. His balance amount is 1000. And on the month of January, she deposited 100 rupees, February 100 rupees, March 100 rupees, April 100 rupees, and May 100 rupees, June 100 rupees. First, you have to complete the table and find the total amount by adding the numbers in the total column. Here, one thing you have to remember, every month Manoj deposited the same amount, 100. So, deposit column is always 100. Total column only be changed. First, you complete the table. February 100, March 100, April 100, May 100, June 100. Then the total column, January 1100, February 1100 plus 100, 1200, like that. After completing the given table, then add the numbers in the total column, then you will get the total deposit up to the month of June. Up to the month of June. Then he decided to deposit the same amount up to December. How many months from June to December? There are 6 months. July, August, September, October, November, and December. He extended to deposit the amount up to 6 months also. That means up to December. Then find the total amount. So, you draw another table and extend the month up to December and complete the table once again. Here also the deposited amount is 100 in all the columns and changes will happen only in the total column. After completing the second table, then by adding the numbers in the total column, you will get the total money or total deposit up to December. That is the second part of that question. Then the last activity, a race. Here there are 6 children for a 100-meter race are given. They had given numbers starting from 1000. Total there are 6 children. The number of the first child is 1000. The next number is the number of the second child. That is 1001 is the second number. And the next number after 1001 is the number of the third child, that is 1002. The next number after 1002 is the fourth one's or the third one's number, like that. Therefore, the six children's numbers are 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 and 1005. Once again, 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004 and 1005. But this problem shouldn't write in the notebook. Write the numbers in the textbook when you get your text. Okay? Remember only that point also. Then you have given another activity after that. 5 more children have joined the race. They must also be given the numbers without breaks. After 1005, 5 members are also joined. Total 11. Then among the 5 members, the middle one's number is given for you 1008. You have to complete the other 4 child's numbers. After 105, 2 columns are blank. Then write the number 1008. Then also 2 numbers are blank. After 1005, there are 2 numbers before 1008, 1006 and 1007. And after 1008, there are 2 numbers, 1009 and 1010. Okay, the middle number is 1008 and the numbers on the first and 2 of them are on the last. First 2 numbers are the numbers before 1008 and the last 2 numbers are after 1008.